The ZTE Nubia Z70S Ultra has officially landed, and it's aiming to be one of the most complete flagship experiences of 2025. Right out of the box, this phone makes a bold statement with its design and camera focus. At 228 grams with a sleek 8.6mm profile, it feels premium and substantial in the hand, featuring Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection and an aluminum frame. It's even certified with IP68 and IP69, meaning it can survive high-pressure water jets and short underwater dips. This is definitely not your average flagship, it's a phone designed to grab attention. And before we dive further, don't forget to subscribe and like for more detailed tech reviews coming your way. The display on the Z70S Ultra is a showpiece in itself. We're looking at a massive 6.85-inch AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and peak brightness hitting 2000 nits. This screen is made for both gamers and content lovers who want fast visuals and rich color reproduction. With over 1 billion colors and sharp 1216 by 2688 resolution, movies and games look buttery smooth and crystal clear. Nubia also gives you nearly 90% screen-to-body ratio, which means very thin bezels and an immersive edge-to-edge look. It's one of the best displays you'll see in this price range. Powering the device is the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3nm process, paired with the Adreno 830 GPU. The CPU setup combines two high-performance Orion V2 Phoenix L cores at 4.32 GHz with 6 efficiency-focused Phoenix M cores at 3.53 GHz. The result is blistering performance whether you're gaming at max settings, editing videos, or multitasking across heavy apps. Benchmarks confirm this too, with over 2.5 million points on Antutu and a Geekbench multicore score crossing 9,000. Simply put, this phone handles everything you throw at it with confidence. Memory and storage options are also impressive. You can configure the Z70S Ultra with up to 24GB of RAM and a full terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. That means not only blazing fast app load times, but also the kind of headroom you need for 8K video files, RAW photography, and big game installs. The absence of a microSD card slot might bother some, but honestly with up to a terabyte onboard, most people won't even notice. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where Nubia pushes boundaries. The main camera system includes a 50-megapixel wide sensor with optical image stabilization, a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 2.7x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 122-degree field of view. There's also laser autofocus, a color spectrum sensor, and Nubia's signature ring LED flash. Video capabilities are equally impressive with 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames, HDR10, 10-bit video, and gyroscope-based stabilization. This is a phone designed for creators, whether you're shooting professional video or low-light photography. On the front, Nubia hides a 16-megapixel under-display camera. While under-display selfie cams aren't perfect yet, it keeps the viewing experience seamless without a notch or punch hole. Selfies come out decent, and it records at 1080p, which is fine for video calls and casual use. The real focus here is the rear camera setup, and it delivers results that can rival some dedicated cameras in the right hands. Battery life is another strength. The phone packs a massive 6,600 mAh silicon-carbon battery, which is bigger than what we usually see in flagships. Paired with the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this results in almost 13 hours of active use time in real-world testing. Charging is handled by 80-watt wired charging, which can fill the phone in under an hour. While there's no wireless charging, the speed and endurance more than make up for it. Audio and connectivity also get high marks. Stereo speakers with 24-bit high-res audio and Snapdragon sound certification provide clear and punchy sound, though some users have noted that the microphone recording quality could be better in very loud environments. Connectivity-wise, you're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX lossless, GPS with multiband support, NFC, and even an infrared port for controlling appliances. The lack of a headphone jack is expected at this point, but audiophiles will appreciate the high-res output through USB-C. When it comes to software, Nubia layers its Nebula iOS 1.5 on top of Android 15. It feels smooth, modern, and optimized for the hardware. The AI features promise smarter resource management, better photography enhancements, and a cleaner overall UI. Whether it's customization or day-to-day performance, the software feels well polished. Overall, the ZTE Nubia Z70S Ultra is a bold flagship that excels in design, display, performance, and especially its camera system. At around €770, it undercuts some of the more expensive competition while offering unique hardware choices like the massive battery and under-display selfie camera. If you're a power user or a mobile content creator, this phone should definitely be on your radar. That wraps up this review. Make sure to subscribe and like for more deep dives into the latest tech.